Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, this Avacraft multi-purpose saucepan, crafted from high-quality stainless steel, is a must-have for your kitchen. With its innovative design, durability, and exceptional functionality, this saucepan redefines convenience and performance. In this in-depth review, we'll explore why this saucepan deserves a spot in your cookware collection. Unparalleled design and quality. The Avacraft 1.5-quart saucepan is made from 1810 food-grade stainless steel, ensuring durability and resistance to rust, stains, and corrosion. The matte finish interior prevents scratches, maintaining its sleek appearance over time, while the polished exterior adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Equipped with a shatterproof glass lid, the saucepan provides added safety and visibility while cooking. The lid features straining holes on both sides, eliminating the need for separate colanders and strainers, making it an all-in-one solution for your cooking needs. All-in-one functionality. This saucepan is designed with user convenience in mind. Its dual spouts make pouring liquids effortless for both right and left-handed users. Whether you're straining pasta, draining vegetables, or serving sauces, the integrated spouts ensure precision without spills. The silicone lid handle enhances safety, staying cool to the touch, even during high-temperature cooking. This ergonomic addition makes the saucepan practical for everyday use. Superior cooking performance. The saucepan's tri-ply capsule bottom sets it apart from standard cookware. Its 5-layer stainless steel base ensures even heat distribution, preventing hot spots and conserving energy. Whether you're simmering, boiling, or sautéing, this design guarantees consistent results every time. The long, ergonomic handle provides a secure grip and remains cool due to its airflow design, allowing you to maneuver the pan comfortably. Ease of use and maintenance. Cleaning up after cooking is hassle-free with the Avacraft saucepan. The stainless steel construction is dishwasher safe, and the shatterproof lid can be cleaned with minimal effort. Its compact size also makes it refrigerator-friendly, allowing you to store leftovers directly in the pan. The saucepan is compatible with various stovetops, including gas, induction, electric, and ceramic, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. Perfect for every occasion. Whether you're cooking for yourself or hosting a dinner party, this saucepan excels in every scenario. Its compact size and multi-purpose design make it ideal for preparing sauces, reheating soups, or cooking small portions of pasta or grains. This saucepan also makes a thoughtful gift for any occasion. Whether it's a housewarming, wedding, birthday, or holiday celebration, its practicality and elegance will be appreciated by recipients. Why you should choose Avacraft saucepan? 1. Durability. Crafted with premium materials that resist wear and tear. 2. Functionality. Straining, pouring, and cooking made effortless. 3. Performance. Even heat distribution for precise cooking. 4. Ease of use. Dishwasher safe and compatible with multiple stovetops. 5. Aesthetic appeal. Modern design that complements any kitchen. Who is this saucepan for? The Avacraft saucepan is perfect for home cooks looking for reliable cookware that simplifies tasks, chefs who value quality and performance in every dish, gift seekers searching for a practical and elegant gift option, small kitchens. Its compact, stackable design saves space. How Avacraft stands out from the competition. Unlike conventional saucepans, the Avacraft multi-purpose saucepan prioritizes versatility and efficiency. The dual spouts and built-in strainer lid eliminate the need for additional kitchen tools, saving time and effort. Its ergonomic handle, cool-touch silicone grip, and premium stainless steel construction give it a competitive edge. Pros and cons of Avacraft multi-purpose saucepan pot. Pros: durable 1810 stainless steel construction, straining holes and dual spouts for convenience, even heat distribution with tri-ply base, Dishwasherand refrigerator safe, ergonomic, cool-touch handle for safe handling. Cons: limited to smaller portion sizes, 1.5 QT capacity. Slightly heavier due to the high-quality stainless steel material. Final verdict. This Avacraft multi-purpose saucepan is a blend of innovation, style, and practicality. Its thoughtful design and premium materials make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Whether you're boiling, straining, or sautéing, this saucepan simplifies your tasks and enhances your cooking experience. If you're looking for cookware that combines functionality with elegance, the Avacraft saucepan is a worthy investment. Don't wait. Elevate your kitchen game today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.